All right, so we got a question of the day from my friend Kenny Johnson. He's out of Philadelphia, okay?
Billy.
So Kenny's question was, he wanted to ask, do you have any strategies for small gains in option trading particularly? So any, like, first-hand strategies that you would probably give to a first person who is getting into option trading. Any techniques, how to grow your account eventually for riskier trades. And then lastly, what resources do you use to, look up and learn about options or articles other than a company's like balance sheet? What would you watch to look at for option trading?
Okay. Hey, Kenny, a lot of it, and I'll tell people this. To me, options are less risky than stocks. And why do I say that? If I'm going to invest in an Apple's about $133 a share. Okay, and if I'm going to do those, I need to buy more than one or two, but I can get options from Apple's for less than $5. Okay. So I can still control. Control is more important than owning in the world of investing. First of all, Kenny, I would always recommend to invest in good companies. That's always number one. Second of all, the strategy that I prefer, we talked about a couple of episodes ago, is credit spreads, because I'm actually selling someone the right to make me buy a stock at a price. And of course, I'm exposed, but I'm able to turn right around and buy an option, which is insurance that protects my downside. So I know going into the trade that my risk is low. Then to add to that, note we're saying the word trading and not investing. Trading is about that weekly or monthly cash flow. So Kenny, what I would say is good companies. What I would say also is the fact that learn credit spreads, and we can help you with that. And I think the one tool that I use is my good old thing, Bollinger Bands. I'm not a big math person, but if I'm going to invest, I want to go outside of what's called two standard deviations. Because from a mathematical perspective, if you go outside of two standard deviations, you're talking about the chances 90 plus percentile that the stock will not get there. If I can get 3 or 4, better. One tool I use is called Samaran Options. Now, again, it's a software, Samaran. I would not go out and use it right now because it's a complex one. But when you master it, it's very user-friendly. But there's a lot of things out there, but you want to get something that helps you identify options that are overpriced so you can make a lot of money with the premium. But then you have to do the due diligence to make sure it's a quality stock. You got to go back to mathematics and just sort of make sure you look out for those major events like earnings, FDA approval, and definitely watch the feds. All right, Kenny, go for it, man.